Have you ever pondered not just who you are, but what you truly are? Imagine for a moment that you are not just a person navigating the mundane routines of life, but a powerful beacon of energy in an ever-vibrating universe. What if you had the power to shape your reality with every thought and emotion, transforming your life into a masterpiece of your own creation? Well, I'm here to share with you that you do have that power. We all do. The problem is that very few are ever taught how to do this. That changes for you today. You are not just a physical being in a material world, you are an energetic entity, part of a universe that pulses with life. This profound realization empowers you to both send and receive energy. One of the most significant challenges you face is learning to navigate a world where everything, including your thoughts and emotions, is a form of energy. From the simplest actions like breathing and walking to the complexities of your feelings and thoughts, everything involves the flow and exchange of energy. Every emotion and thought, whether positive or negative, emits a unique vibration that influences your experiences and the world around you. By mastering your personal vibrations, you unlock immense potential within yourself. Imagine being a constant broadcaster of energy, emitting signals that reveal your true essence to the universe. These signals can attract or repel various people, events, and experiences in your life. If you find yourself radiating anger and frustration, your reality will mirror that negativity. Conversely, if you exude energy filled with abundance and joy, you will attract more positive and enriching experiences into your life. Your energy acts as a magnet, drawing in experiences that resonate with your vibrational state. To transform your life, you must first transform the energy you emit. Align your thoughts and emotions with your deepest aspirations to create the life you desire. By consciously altering the energy you project, you can change the patterns and experiences in your life. You possess far more power than you may have ever realized. When you learn to emit vibrations that align with your ideal life, you can reshape your reality to reflect your dreams. Your thoughts are not merely mental exercises. They are powerful frequencies that attract corresponding experiences. The vibrations of your thoughts act like magnets, drawing in the reality you focus on. Understanding and harnessing this principle allows you to direct your thoughts towards the outcomes you desire, using the power of your energy to shape your future. Your thoughts are the foundation upon which your reality is built. As the saying goes, watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. Your thoughts are seeds that grow into your future reality. Be mindful of where you direct your energy as it follows your focus. As Albert Einstein famously said, everything is energy. Even engaging with this message requires energy. The energy you direct shapes your reality, and you have the ability to guide and manage this energy towards your goals. It's crucial to recognize that you have control over your energy. When you feel down, redirect your attention to something uplifting. Surround yourself with positive people and activities that bring you joy. Protect your energy by setting boundaries, avoiding negative influences, and practicing self-care. Trust in the power of energy, acknowledging your worthiness to receive and your capacity to give generously. Understand that there is more to life than what is immediately visible. A greater force is at work. Connecting with this vast source of wisdom, love, and understanding can lead to profound changes in your well-being. When your energy aligns, your cells rejuvenate, your health improves, and feelings of despair and confusion are replaced by serenity and balance. Your energy becomes clear and pure, flowing smoothly, bringing a sense of worthiness and constant joy. Wisdom and inner peace fill your mind, and clarity pervades your thoughts. When you trust in the power of energy, everything aligns effortlessly. By believing in yourself and the guidance of the universe, your dreams begin to materialize and your reality transforms. Focusing on your aspirations and taking deliberate actions can create significant positive changes in your life. Have faith in yourself and in the universe, and you will discover your true purpose. Take a moment to connect with your inner self and feel the energy flowing through you. Sense the love, strength, and brightness within. You are an energy being with the power to create your reality and achieve your dreams. You are capable, deserving, and loved. Believe in yourself and in the universe, and watch the magic unfold in your life. To turn your thoughts into beliefs, practice active faith in the universe's ability to meet your needs. Embrace your potential and your worthiness of love and happiness. Cultivate deep peace and joy. Remember, you are not a mere drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. Let your vibrations resonate throughout eternity, guiding you on a journey of endless discovery, growth, and transformation. Trusting in the energy that permeates your existence is a powerful, active choice. It's about recognizing your deep connection to the vibrant, dynamic universe. Embrace the transformative power of your thoughts and beliefs, knowing that your inner world shapes your outer reality. Directing your energy towards your desires is a journey of self-discovery and conscious creation. It's about understanding and aligning with your true self and guiding your energy like a river towards your chosen destiny. This journey involves peeling back the layers of your being, exploring your desires, and discovering what truly resonates with your soul. It's a path of self-reflection, self-discovery, and self-acceptance. By doing so, you unlock your full potential, allowing it to shine brightly in your life. Remember, you are never alone on this journey. The universe, in all its wisdom, is ready to co-create with you, eager for your harmonious vibrations. As you consciously direct your energy towards your goals and dreams, you become a powerful co-creator of your reality. Here's how to do that. It begins with cultivating self-awareness and understanding the subtle ways in which energy flows through and around you. By becoming attuned to your inner state and the external influences that affect it, you can learn to manage your energy consciously and deliberately. One of the first steps in controlling your energy is developing a regular practice of mindfulness or meditation. These practices help you become aware of your thoughts and emotions, which are key components of your energy field. By observing your mental and emotional states without judgment, you can identify patterns that drain your energy or disrupt your balance. Mindfulness teaches you to live in the present moment, reducing stress and anxiety and allowing your energy to flow more freely and harmoniously. Another crucial aspect of energy control is setting healthy boundaries. This involves being selective about the people, environments, and activities you engage with. Negative influences can sap your energy, leaving you feeling exhausted and unfulfilled. By learning to say no to situations that don't serve your well-being and surrounding yourself with positive, uplifting influences, you protect your energy from depletion. This not only conserves your energy, but also ensures that it is directed towards your goals and aspirations. Moreover, controlling your energy requires attention to your mental diet. Just as the food you consume affects your physical body, the information and media you engage with influence your mental and emotional energy. By choosing to consume positive, inspiring, and educational content, you nurture your mind and spirit, promoting a higher vibration that supports your goals. Avoiding negative or draining content helps keep your energy vibrant and focused. Finally, visualization and intention setting are powerful techniques for energy control. By clearly visualizing your goals and setting intentions, you align your energy with your desired outcomes. Visualization helps you create a mental image of success, which your energy will naturally gravitate towards. Intention setting acts as a guide, directing your energy towards achieving your aspirations. Together, these practices harness the power of your mind to shape your reality and manifest your dreams. Now, to go deeper into the rabbit hole on who you truly are, watch the video on the left. If you want to learn how to improve your thinking, watch the video on the right.